Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn about the string formatting in Python. We will use it to format any text as we want. So there are three main methods that I use. The first one is %sign, and the second one is format, and the third one is fstring. So let's see each of them. So I create a file. Okay. Say I have I set the variable day equal to Sunday and year equal to this year, and then we will try each method. The first one, okay. This is the text that we want to print. So now we add the variables. Okay, and we press F5 to run. Here, this is the word that we get from using %sign. The second method is it's quite similar to this one. Okay. Okay. Now we're going to see both of them. They show the same result. It's just a bit different here, but the format has some it's maybe a little easier than the %sign because you can assign the name of position and then you add the variables to those positions like this. So we will name this one and this one as a date name, and then this one and this one year, and then we add the value. We mark the date name equal to day, and then year equal to year, and then we print it out. Here you can see the result here, but the way that I prefer is fstring. Okay, it's quite similar to this one. You can remove this one and press, you just add F as a prefix of this text and then you print it out. This is the one that you got. Okay, it also works with dictionary as well, but as you can see here, I use the single bracket. We will try using this method. Also works with dictionary as well. you will notice that the Visual Studio Code mark this one as it cannot print f string, so we can try print it, and you see the errors because we are using the single bracket. Just replace this one and this one to double quote and then try again here. So I would recommend you to stick with double quote for f string because sometimes you may have to print a dictionary or a columns from data frame. One more thing that I want to add is print the multiple lines. These are the examples that I prepare. Okay. So the first one, we use f string for each line, and the second one is use the f string with triple quote here and backslash here, and the last one is we remove the backslash. So let's see the result. This is the first one. You can see it's print in the same line, and then the next one also the same, but you can see that the way that we write the code are different. And this is the last one because we remove the backslash, so it's go to the separate line. And that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the videos. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.